How's it going, everybody? Today I wanted to talk about hired and non-owned auto insurance and why it is so important for your business to not overlook as a part of its commercial insurance program. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Brian. I'm an independent insurance agent based here in the state of Michigan, Metro Detroit specifically, and I work with businesses on their commercial insurance programs, as well as helping families and individuals with their personal insurance, their home, their auto insurance as well. My goal with this channel is to pass on a little bit of educational information to you so that you can make more informed decisions around your insurance, and then overall help answer any questions that you might have. So let's get into it. And before we get too far into the video, I do want to invite you to subscribe to the channel, and if you find this video helpful, useful, anything like that, please feel free to like and share with anyone else as well. Hired and non-owned auto insurance, also sometimes simply referred to as HNOA coverage, provides liability coverage for vehicles that your business might use for work purposes but does not own. This could include cars that you rent for business trips or employees' personal vehicles that are used to run work errands or potentially make deliveries. The key here is that even though the business doesn't own these vehicles, it can still be held responsible for accidents involving them. So this is where HNOA coverage can step in and provide coverage for those potentially costly claims involving those types of vehicles. And why exactly is this coverage so important? Imagine an employee runs a quick errand using their personal vehicle, a trip to the bank or maybe picking up office supplies, and then gets into an accident. Your business could face a lawsuit for this, and without HNOA coverage, you could be financially exposed. It is a very simple and cost-effective way to protect your business in scenarios like this. And in certain cases, carrying hired and non-owned auto insurance coverage may even be a legal requirement. For example, if you have contracts with clients or business partners, they may specify that you have this coverage in place. Fortunately, it is often a pretty affordable option to add on to your general liability or commercial auto insurance policy. It's also worth noting that hired and non-owned auto coverage will typically only apply to liability. So that means the actual physical damage to one of your employees' personal vehicles or one of the vehicles that your business rents would not be covered. So employees would still need a personal auto insurance policy, and this is an important distinction to understand. And also, this coverage is not just for delivery heavy industries. Think about consultants traveling to client meetings, salespeople using their personal vehicles or rented vehicles to go visit prospects, or if you are a contractor and you're sending employees to job sites. These are everyday situations that your business does face where having this HNOA coverage could make a difference if an accident were ever to happen. Without having HNOA, businesses could face a significant gap in coverage, and this is because personal auto insurance policies will often exclude coverage for claims when the vehicle is being used for work purposes. So hired and non-owned auto insurance can help fill that gap. There are certain industries that especially benefit from having this coverage. However, getting this coverage in place for other certain businesses can be a little trickier, such as with restaurants that rely heavily on delivery services. If you're running a pizza shop or maybe a franchise restaurant or another business with frequent deliveries, insurance companies will see this as a higher risk. But that does not mean it's impossible to get coverage. It will typically just take a little bit more information, time, and resources to actually get the coverage in place. Ultimately, having hired and non-owned auto insurance does help fill a potential gap in your risk management for your business, and it ensures that your business is not exposed for something as simple and basic as an employee using their personal vehicle for a work-related task. So thank you for watching, and if you are looking for help with your commercial insurance program, I would love the opportunity to work with you and see if our team can help. There are a lot of ways to get a hold of me, and they should all be in the description below. Please feel free to text, call, email, fill out a contact form, whatever is easiest. And if you have any other questions about insurance, please feel free to leave them in the comments below or reach out directly. I would love to help answer those as well. So thank you again.